Hey everyone, and welcome back to the library. I'm going to apologise in advance for these crappy iPhone quality, but today I'm going to London with Katherine. We're going to see The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime, and I was a bit like, they might be a bit funny about me bringing my camera into the theatre, so I thought I'd better not do that. Instead, I'm going to vlog on my camera. We're also planning to do a bit of book shopping as well, plus a lot of eating at Leon. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. Hopefully it can be a lot of fun. So here we go. We're at Leon. Is anyone surprised? Oh, I'm with Katherine now, by the way. Great introduction to the city. How is yours? Fabulous. Mine is good. I've only just got mine. She sat down for like 10 minutes now. Well, you can get the first three for £10 in the works in boxes, and then because I've been so tempted to buy it. Tempted. Let me kill Lauren's favourite. If someone pisses you off. It's a ruined copy, for goodness sake. I actually saw that as well. Goodness sake, people put the books back where they're supposed to go. I know I'm not a teenager, but I think I need this book. Aww. That's mine! Give it back. I want it so bad. Look at my girl Nina, look how beautiful she is. Don't care about him, we only love Nina. I love the rest of the characters. Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime? I cried. So 10 out of 10. There was a dog and a rat. And a rat. There was a puppy and it was so cute. It was licking his face. All the emotions. Now book shopping. I'm crying. Guess who's back? Back again. Ooh, 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 ooh. Burn that. Burn it. Imagine if it's just drew a line through. Damn it. We've been in Waterstones twice now and I still have not picked up a book. And neither has Katherine. She's busy texting, sorry.
Facebook.
Oh, Facebook, sorry. There's so many good books, but I don't know what to pick up. I need some recs. I need some fantasy recs with no romance.
Is she checking herself out in the camera? No, she's not. She's just checking to see how good she looks. Oh, my baby, no, don't do this.
We bought donuts. We are protecting them like our children.
Buy this. Buy this. What else? Buy this. Buy this. Can't possibly. You can't buy all of them, my sister says. I can try.
My mum tells me I can't read them all.
I can try.
Look at this smashing iPhone quality. It's just, love it. So before I wrap up this little mini vlog, I thought I'd share with you the books that I bought. I bought both of them in foils. I just weren't interested in any in Waterstones. Don't know how that happened, but the first one I got is The Hand, the Eye and the Heart by Zoe Marriott. This is a Mulan retelling. Oh my god, it sounded so great, and the main character is non-binary, so we've got a non-binary main character. I am so excited for this, and this one is signed. Where is the signature? It's so pretty. And I also got a graphic novel. This is Bloom by Kevin Pancetta and Savannah Gunichi. That was quality. Did that so well. So this is a meet cute male romance. It's giving me Heartstopper vibes, but this just looks so cute. Look at that, that looks so cute. It's all like in blue and white. It's gonna be so cute. I cannot wait for this. Katherine, funnily enough, bought nothing. I'm so surprised at her. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's a bit all over the place and we was mucking around in bookstores because that's what we do. So leave a like if you did enjoy this. Leave your comments down below for me, please. And subscribe if you'd like to join the library, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.